What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redland Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe below and hit the smash the like button. You always get this from YouTubers, honestly. You guys probably do it too, but you guys delete that clip and redo it, but I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, so a lot of you guys actually wanted to, there's a few that requested me to do a change on the light for the license plate light. When I try to get it down there, honestly, car's dirty, of course. It's a LED in there, so see that? Those are LEDs, and I tried to find a way to get to it, but it was tough. I don't think I can. Maybe this whole thing pops out. This whole whatever, like this whole thing right here around it might pop out. But literally, if you're trying to upgrade it from a bulb to a LED, I don't think you can, honestly. These are small LEDs like in a circuit that just lights up. Yeah, so if you know about it, comment below. If you changed it, please DM me at redlinemods.official on my Instagram. Let me know. I would appreciate that if you changed yours and you popped that out before. But I tried my best for you guys. I apologize. Couldn't do much about it. But yeah, figured I'd let you guys know. And also, for the ambient lights on the inside, just DM me if you need them. I sell them through my Instagram pretty much for now, because I don't have a website yet. But yeah, for the ambient lights inside that you guys seen throughout my videos in the previous, or footwell lighting or underglow, you just DM me and I got you from there. I'll put the Instagram in the description below, and I appreciate the support. Stay tuned, and I'm going to be uploading some more content coming up. Until next time, peace out, fam.